Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Hours Computer Learning. My name is Tarika Dedipya and present topic is CSS. Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon for interesting topics about CSS.
So friends, today we are going to see about the CSS layout, float and clear. In this, we have yesterday completed about this float clear, and now we are going to see about the clear property like one second. With clear, what is the difference between with clear fix and without clear fix? So this is my browser. You can see the without clear heading and with clear heading. So now I'm going to show you the result. So I'm going to show you the text for one time. So this is the divide element, and for the first class I have used the divide 1, second divide 2 for this without clear property, and with clear property I have used the divide 3 and divide 4 class attribute. In the same way, here I'm going to select the divide 1. So divide 1 declaration. Here I'm going to write the float as left float, and width, sorry, and width is like 100 pixel. After width, I'm going to write the height like 50 pixel. After height, I'm going to write the margin like 10 pixel. After margin, I'm going to write the border like 3 pixel. Solid hashtag 73AD21. So 73AD21. So this is the column, and closing the declaration. And now I am going to add a border for the divide 2. That means a big paragraph. It is a long established something text I have written now. So for that I'm going to write dot divide 2. I have shown you before. So adding the declaration for it and just adding the border like 1 pixel solid red, so that you can see the clear difference between it. So Control S and refreshing my browser. So now this is the without clear text, and have taken a 1 pixel of the solid border. So you can see the difference between these two. Same way, same elements, but I'm going to copy it. See, I'm going to copy it and just giving a enter and pasting it, and just changing the divide element 3 and divide 4, and just adding a 2 points like here. See, I'm going to write a float first, float left, and the same way. So we have the float scene, and sorry, not for the divide 3, just adding for the divide 4. That means a paragraph. For adding the paragraph, I am just adding the clear left. So Control S and refreshing my browser. So you can see the difference. The same value just added for the paragraph clear left. So this is how our without clear and with clear, difference between the without clear and the with clear. And divide 1 and divide 2 is without clear. The result will be come like the text will surround it the divide 1. This is the divide 1. And divide 3 and divide 4 is with clear, the value left clear element floated to the left. So you will get a clear after seeing this. So here clear left moves to the divide 4 down below, and the floating divide 3 value left clear element floated to the left. You can clearly write and see the both difference between it. So this is what our difference between without clear and with clear property. And next we are going to see about our next example like clear fix add. So Do not miss it. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Signing off, Tarika Dedipya.
Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Thank you for watching Hours Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe button, bell icon.